Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R Research Actionable Update.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. In today's podcast, we discuss quarter 4 previews of some sector. First is pharma sector. Our analysts expect the pharma companies under Sharekhan Universe to report strong performance for quarter 4 with 11% revenue growth attributable to a strong growth in API focused companies. US focused companies with strong product portfolio are expected to grow at a healthy pace. Driven by favorable mix, lower operating expenses, operating margins are likely to expand 390 bps YOY. Our preferred picks in pharma sectors are Divi's Lab, Laurus Labs and Gland Pharma. Next sector is consumer goods. Our analyst expects consumer good companies from SK Universe to post strong revenue growth of 15 to 40% on back of sustained high demand in the rural market, recovery in discretionary consumption categories, and also support a low base of quarter 4. Better operating leverage and judicious ad spend would help some companies to post better operating margins in quarter 4 despite rise in input cost. Analysts expect FY21 to end to a strong note and growth momentum is likely to sustain in FY22. Our preferred picks in the consumer goods space are Asian Paints, Hindustan Unilever and Dabur India. From banking space, our analyst expects quarter 4 to see steady earnings for private banks, while public sector banks continue to remain laggards. Exception is SBI. Sector is benefited from continued uptick in economic recovery and easing concern on the asset quality front, but with elevated slippages. Management commentary on growth and asset quality would be watched out for. Our preferred picks in the banking space are ICICI Bank, AU Small Finance Bank and State Bank of India. The next sector we prefer is automobile sector. Analysts expect SK Universe Automobile and auto ancillary companies to report another robust quarter in quarter 4, led by strong volume recovery across the segment and low base effect. The companies are expected to cover up rise in input cost through gradual price hikes as demand scenario remains buoyant. Our preferred picks in the automobile space are Hero MotoCorp, Bosch and Sundaram Fasteners. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. It's been a pleasure bringing you to the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchange and the terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3R Research Actionable Update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.